welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Stephanie Nadia, and a fun random fact about me is I live here in Brooklyn, New York. I am based out of Brooklyn. Today I have a try-on haul for you guys featuring some fashion to figure pieces. By the way, please don't mind my hair and my robe and everything. I just hopped out of the shower, but I wanted to make sure I hopped on here to make sure I filmed this video to get it out to you guys because I really wanted you to see these pieces and I really wanted to get out some new content because I haven't put some up in a couple of weeks. Out here, I've just been getting a cold and getting sick, and it's just crazy because my body is transitioning into the different weather. All right, enough of this chit chat and let's get to the try on haul. So I wanted to get something cozy for this fall, winter, you know, weather, and I saw this and I fell in love with it. It is super cozy and super warm and definitely perfect for this weather. And once again, it feels like I'm using fashion to disguise my comfort and need to feel like I'm wearing pajamas and wearing a blanket around me all day. But it's still fashionable. It comes down pretty long in the back and in the front. There's enough fabric that it wraps around comfortably around my body, so it doesn't feel like I'm trying to wrap a scarf around my body. It actually is true to my size and fits comfortably. To create the outfit, I paired it with this off-the-shoulder top that I also got from Fashion to Figure. And honestly, it's just a simple polyester black top that I paired with this outfit because I feel like the statement piece is this poncho, the Ruana, whatever, I think it's called a Ruana. I'm not sure what they call it, but to me, it's a poncho. I'm Ecuadorian, I call it a poncho. Is that what we call it in Ecuador anyways? Well, I grew up calling it a poncho. Yeah, so I paired it with this basic black off-the-shoulder top from Fashion to Figure as well, and then some black pair pants, which I'll get into more later on because it's actually something I paired with one of the other outfits. And to complete the look, I actually paired it with these knee-high stiletto booties. These are actually my first pair of knee-high boots. I've never owned a pair of knee-high boots before in my life, just because as a curvy girl, it's always been hard enough to find pants that fit. Trying to find boots that fit my calves and thighs have always been kind of annoying. But these actually fit great. They were slightly looser than I expected them to be, but that was perfectly fine because I was able to fit them on with a pair of pants on. So that was a win. So those were my first three pieces, part of the first outfit I put together from Fashion to Figure. Let's move on to my second outfit. And just like I finished saying, it's always hard for me to find a pair of jeans. So I thought I would give these pair a try from Fashion to Figure. So what usually happens is I usually find a pair of jeans or pants that fit perfectly around my butt, my thighs, and my calves, but then super tight around my waist. Or if it does fit around my waist, it's usually baggy in the butt area, thighs, and calves, and it just doesn't look good. So it's always hard to find that perfect pair of jeans. And what I love about these is there's a zipper detailing at the calves, which came in such handy actually, because I went to the salon recently, got my nails done, I also got my feet did, and I completely forgot to wear pants that I can roll up easily, but I was like, wait a minute, these have zippers, so saved by the zipper. And guess what? These do fit perfectly around my calves and thighs, although they do, again, as usual, fit snug around my waist. More snug than I would prefer them to, but I can't give them up because they fit so lovely around my butt, my hips, my thighs, and my calves. And I feel like I haven't had that in a pair of jeans in quite some time. Here's the top I picked for this outfit, and you already know that I'm in love with it because I love mesh. And look at this beautiful collar up on top. It's faux leather. It buttons in the back like so. So there's a keyhole in the back. Mesh all up on top of the shoulders, down to the sleeves. And it's a short shirt, not necessarily a crop top I would say, but it's pretty short. It goes like it comes down to like right around the waist. Again, super comfy to wear. The only thing I wish was that it was a little bit longer so that I can like cover that snug midsection that was happening with those pair of jeans. But you know what? I don't care enough to not wear this shirt. I actually really like this, and I can see myself pairing it with skirts and other types of pieces. There's so many different ways I can wear this top, but I loved pairing it with these jeans and the bomber jacket. This bomber jacket, oh my gosh, guys. It is a leather bomber jacket, and like, this is probably my favorite piece out of everything in this try on haul video. Definitely this jacket, like, first of all, it fits perfectly. Love the way it fits. And it's super warm, so it's warm enough for me to wear, you know, layered, you know, right now. But you can see for the most part, this fits super cute, super comfortable. It's long enough, the sleeves, super flexible, easy to wear, and it zips up really great. The back is elasticized, so there is stretch and there is give and there's room. And again, like it says, it fits perfectly. It zips all the way up. It's true to size. Pop on a little scarf. If you're super cold, you can even layer it with something else. The other day I did wear it with a jacket, like my teddy coat over it. I know y'all can think I'm crazy, but fashion. So that was it for the second outfit. Let's go on to the third. For the third outfit I styled, I grabbed yet another mesh top, the shadow mesh top, which I actually love. By the way, guys, all the footage you're seeing, it's of me trying these things on for the first time. So I'm literally trying them on and then shooting them right away. And I'm getting dressed with them while I'm in a car. FYI, just to give you a little BTS and know what's going on. But a lot of these pieces I'm trying on for the first time on camera and trying them on while I'm in a car, like I said. And so it's always important that I get pieces that fit comfortably, because to get dressed while sitting down in a car, pretty hard to do. But this piece, again, there is stretch and flexibility. As with most of these pieces, I always look for stretchiness for comfort. And what I like about this is that it was really long sleeves. It actually came down to like right by my wrists, but not too long and not too short. So it's perfect for this weather because it's long enough to keep me warm and layer with other items. And it's still mesh, but it's not like fully mesh. So it's not like I'm freezing here. And the material is actually thicker just because there's ribbing and layering in it. So I can actually totally wear this in the winter layered with a jacket, etc., and feel completely fine. And it does come down long enough to like wear my preference of where I look for it to hit my hips and waist. Now with this top, I actually paired it with a pair of leather, well, faux leather pants. And these I was so afraid to put on, mostly because whenever I wear bigger pants, I always think it's gonna make me look big. But they were so comfortable. They look so good on. They made me look so sleek. So for these pants, the waists are elasticized. It does come with its already sewn in wrap. It doesn't extend or anything, but the actual belt is quite long on both ends, and the material again does stretch, so you're never gonna have a problem fitting into these. So for these pants, I actually sized up one just because I wasn't sure how they were gonna fit. Online, they look like they might have been more snug or not as stretchy, but in real life, they are pretty stretchy. And they did fit loose enough that I could go down a size to my true size, and they would have fit super comfortable and completely fit just normal. But the size 3 that I picked out still looked good on, even though if it was slightly bigger, slightly looser, it still worked, and I like the way it looked, especially with the mesh top being a little bit more fitted on top. And of course, I couldn't stop at the pants. I needed to go a little bit more extra with this blazer. So online, I had the impression that this blazer was like blazer material, but it's actually polyester. So it's a little bit more flimsy and definitely stretchy, so it's super comfy to wear, but I was hoping for a more sturdy fit so that like my collars and everything aren't like flimsy or curling or bending. And I also would have preferred the inside of this blazer to be black, just because when you're turning in the outfit, you can definitely see bits of the white sticking out, which I didn't think looked good. But other than that, this print is everything. I love, 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 love this print so much, and I love the way it looks. I love black and gold. It looks so chic. And I actually love the way these three pieces pair together. Like I said, I just tried them out in the car and then shot this footage. So I didn't know how everything was gonna look together. And not only that, I wasn't able to check myself out in a mirror or anything. So I'm literally trying out these full outfits in front of the camera for the first time. And I actually love the way that they look, and I love the way that I end up styling them. So actually, yeah, let me know your thoughts below. Let me know what you guys thought about the different outfits I styled, and let me know which one was your favorite one. Now for the final outfit that I styled, the top first. It's a super cute pink top with pearl accents, super minimal, but very cute, like, isn't it adorable? And the material is super soft. It's thick enough like to be good for like, you know, going to the office, especially in cooler weather. Again, it's very delicate, so I'm like afraid to like stretch it out, so I'm just trying to fold it, but it does wrinkle easily. but it's still such a cute top and I can't get over it. Like, adorable, and it fits comfortably, fits perfectly. There's nothing else I can really say about it. And because it's cute and pink, of course I have to pair it with something edgy because that's just who I am. So I paired it with these leggings that have like this ribbed panel faux leather detail, and they are super cute. I actually also wore them for the poncho look as well. The only thing I wished was that they were actually a little bit more snug around my calves and ankle because they do fit a little loose around there. But other than that, they are a great fit. They look great on the bum and hips and thighs. And I'm obsessed with this this paneled rib faux leather detailing. It's something that I just adore. And to complete this outfit, I paired it with this faux fur vest that's also pink and extra, so why not? And I just love the cut of it. I love how it just hangs on the body. And the material is super soft, y'all. Like, it is so cozy to wear. I can't get over it. And what I love about this vest is that there's actually pockets in it, and y'all know I get so excited for anything that has pockets, especially dresses and vests. And then to finish off the entire look, I actually paired it with this cute little handbag from Fashion Figure as well. And yes, there is a shoulder strap for you ladies who can't stand to hold things in your hands like me and just need to carry things on your shoulder. So those are all the pieces and all the 4 outfits I styled today. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Did you guys like the way I styled them? Would you style them differently? Comment below, let me know. I'd love to hear from you, your suggestions, anything at all. Because again, like I've always said, I love this community and I want it to be more of a dialogue than a monologue. Also, don't forget to support a girl by subscribing and hitting that bell so that you get notifications every time I upload a new video. And remember, yes, the bell is very important because if you don't get notified, and sometimes the algorithm doesn't bring up a video and you might miss out. And I don't want you guys to miss out because we work so hard on these videos, and you can expect more beauty videos, more plus size fashion videos, maybe even some thrifting. Would you guys be interested in thrifting? Comment below, let me know. And that's it for me, folks. I love you guys so much. Remember that you're absolutely beautiful. Until next time. Bye. Mwah. Excuse me. Whew, that smelled.